State lawmakers are considering a bill that would further restrict what Indiana SNAP recipients can buy with their benefits. It comes just weeks after Smart SNAP took effect in the state. It banned SNAP recipients from using their benefits to buy sugary drinks and candy.
Fox 59 State House reporter Hannah Adamson explains why some opponents say the new proposal might not work as intended.
If Indiana lawmakers pass House Bill 1263, Hoosiers on SNAP could no longer buy certain items with their benefits. Those include desserts like cookies, cakes, and pies, and snacks like potato chips.
This means more spending on Hoosier produce, vegetables, meats, fruits, milk, juice, and wholesome meals.
The bill would also codify Smart SNAP into law. Smart SNAP, which went into effect January 1st, bans SNAP recipients from buying sugary drinks and candy with their benefits.
Stanford peer-reviewed studies concluded that removing sugary drinks from SNAP purchases would result in lowering child obesity rates by almost 2%. which could mean thousands of Hoosier children affected positively by this change.
Democrats say the bill doesn't address economic constraints, marketing tactics, and food deserts they argue play much larger roles in health outcomes.
If healthy options are going to be the way and the message from the governor's office and the administration, then healthy options need to be more available.
According to the advocacy group Feeding Indiana's Hungry, ultra-processed foods on average are half the price of minimally processed foods.
Limiting food choices wouldn't increase access to healthier foods, but would restrict purchasing flexibility, which could potentially exacerbate food insecurity and hunger.
Several groups representing Indiana retailers also testified against the bill, expressing concerns that the 2027 deadline is not enough time to get into compliance, which could cause more stores to drop the SNAP program altogether.
That means that every computer in every grocery store has got to be modified. We weren't ready on 1 January.
Implementation of the current changes has been problematic to say the least. We would ask for time to continue to implement the existing changes under the executive order before we add new products to that list.
The committee decided not to vote on the bill Wednesday. The bill will die if it doesn't pass out of committee by next Monday. Reporting from Indianapolis, I'm Hannah Adamson.